Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You shut the device down and remove power because electricity plus liquid causes shorting. Do that first. Once powered off, angle the device so gravity helps drain liquid and use a bright light or loupe to inspect the lightning port for residues or green corrosion. Prepare 99% isopropyl alcohol, a soft toothpick, compressed air, and lint-free swabs. These let you remove moisture and contaminants without pushing fluid deeper. Start now, don't wait. You proceed by removing soft deposits first. Use a wooden or plastic toothpick to lift gunk. Avoid metal tools that can scratch or short pins. Once loose debris is out, lightly dampen a lint-free swab with 99% isopropyl and swipe each side of the connector. The alcohol dissolves residues and evaporates fast. After cleaning, apply short bursts of compressed air from 2-3 centimeters away to expel remaining liquid and speed drying. Make sure to be gentle and methodical. You finish by leaving the device in a warm, ventilated spot for 12 to 24 hours so any residual moisture evaporates fully. Do not use heat guns or hair dryers on high. Once dry, reconnect your lightning cable gently and monitor charging and data transfer while watching for unusual heat. If symptoms persist, repeat the cleaning once more or consult a certified technician. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent contact remains, carefully recheck for microscopic corrosion and consider professional.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.